If you want quick access to your favorite websites, the Bookmark Bar in Vivaldi is one of the most useful features you can enable. In this video, I'll show you how to turn it on, customize it, and also how to turn it off when you don't need it. Start by opening Vivaldi. In the classic layout, click the Vivaldi menu button in the top left corner and select Settings. If your layout is different, you can also move your mouse to the top of the screen to reveal the menu, or press Ctrl F12 to open Settings directly. Once you're in Settings, open the Bookmark section and go to Bookmark Bar. Here you'll find the main option called Show Bookmark Bar. Simply tick this box to enable it or untick it to remove it from the browser interface. When it's enabled, you can also customize how it behaves and looks. You can choose which bookmark folder is displayed in the bar so you can decide exactly what shortcuts appear there. You can also change the position of the bookmark bar, placing it either at the top or bottom of the browser window depending on your preference. Another option is how bookmarks are displayed. You can choose between showing text and icons, text only, icons only, or just the bookmark icon for folders with labels. This lets you fine-tune how clean or detailed you want the bar to look. Now there's also a quicker way to toggle the bookmark bar without going into settings. Below the Vivaldi menu icon in the top left corner, you'll see a panel icon in the address bar area. Click it, open the bookmark section, and at the bottom you'll find the bookmark bar option. Just check or uncheck it to enable or disable it instantly. If you prefer an even faster method, you can simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus B to toggle the bookmark bar on or off at any time. Once set up, your bookmark bar will appear exactly the way you want it, giving you fast access to your most used websites. And that's it. If this guide helped you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more Vivaldi tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.